What's anxiety? Anxiety is the uncertainty of information in our minds, and the thought of wanting to know what's going to happen next triggers anxiety. Can we, as a believer, a Christian, turn down anxiety? Yes, we can by reading the Bible daily. So let's see the three ways that the Bible tells us how to turn down anxiety. Step 1. Throw all your anxiety triggers to the Lord. Follow First Peter chapter 5 verses 7. Casting all your care upon him, for he careth for you. Step 2. Pray to God not only by asking but also by thanking him. Follow First Thessalonians chapter 5 verses 17 to 18. Pray without ceasing. In everything give thanks, for this is the will of God in Christ Jesus concerning you. Step 3. Never get tired of your faith. Follow Matthew chapter 22 verses 37. Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart and with all thy soul and with all thy mind. So follow these three steps and be free of anxiety. Have a good day. Bye.